Okay, right, I think I've let this cool long enough. Doesn't appear to be any sort of visual changes. I don't know if those were there before, but I saw those on the other ones that started working too, so maybe that's a good thing. Alright, so we're about to reassemble now, and I think it goes this way. Something like that. Yeah, that's perfect. Alright, got it all straightened out. Gotta put all the screws back in the holes. Also, there's a bracket here that needs to go back on there. Yeah, on there. Anyway, right, I'll assemble and test this out in a sec, and I'll get back to you.